Meaning of intoxicant.
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 Intoxicant. The term intoxicant refers to any substance that can cause a state of intoxication or poisoning when ingested, inhaled, or otherwise absorbed into the body. This can include a wide range of substances such as alcohol, drugs, and certain chemicals. Intoxicants can have a variety of effects on the body and mind, ranging from mild relaxation and euphoria to serious impairment of judgment, motor skills, and physical coordination. In some cases, excessive use of intoxicants can lead to addiction, health problems, and even death.